Good morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Angus. How are you? Actually, I said good morning, but it's almost afternoon. Miss Angus is a little bit late this morning about making her morning video, but I want to say hello to everybody. I know you can see me. So today I woke up a little bit late, and I was looking outside the window, and I felt the sun. It is absolutely glorious out. You know the sun that we learned about? The big round sun, the big ball of fire out there? Well, today is a gorgeous day, and I think it's a day that I want you outside. I think you should play, and then play some more. Run around and get some fresh air. It's gorgeous out there. And speaking about gorgeous, I have some big news to tell you, because tonight we are going to see something very special. Now, you may be seeing this every night when you go to bed, but it comes in many different sizes, and it's called the moon. That's right, with letter M, and has two O's inside that word, M-O-O-N. And tonight is going to be a full moon, and it's going to be a very special moon because it's a super moon. And this moon happens to be a moon that lets you know that it is the beginning of spring. So they call it a pink moon. And guess what? What color do I have on today? That's right, I can hear you, pink. Because it's a pink moon. Actually, I didn't really know I was wearing it until I just started thinking about it as I'm videoing here. But it's a pink moon. Now this pink moon actually was visible starting last night, April 6th to April 8th. But tonight, it is going to be the biggest moon, and that's because we are closer to it. Earth, which is spinning around right now, the moon, we are closer to it because the moon travels around the Earth and the sun just stays there. That's a very important ingredient, don't get me wrong, and I'm going to tell you why in 1 second. But the moon spins around, and sometimes you don't see a full moon. Sometimes you only see a little moon. Those are different phases of the moon. And I'm going to link an attachment to this video that I'd like you to watch so you can learn a little bit more about the moon. But tonight, I'm going to talk about the fact that last night I saw it from my bedroom window, and tonight you're going to be able to see it. It's going to be really, really visible. And if you go outside, or even if you're in your home, if you look outside your window, right after sunset, when the sun sets, about 7:15, 7:30, you're going to be able to see it. And the full illumination of the moon, even brighter, is going to be at 10:30. But I think me and you hopefully will be in bed. But so you don't worry though, because you can definitely see it. So it's going to be a really special time. And what's really special about the full moon is that people love to go and look at it. It's a very, I guess the best word I can use is that it's an incredible piece of nature. The full moon has a lot of power. It lets us know about the ocean, how it goes in and out. When you get older, you're going to learn a lot about it. Those are called the tides. And you're gonna see that this instrument, full moon, helps us in many, many ways. It's not just a huge flashlight that we can see in the middle of the night. It has many more powers. And speaking of that, there's a reason why we can see the full moon. And this is really exciting because you see that sun that's up there right now in the sky that's giving us all this warmth. Well, the sun is like a flashlight. It's really nice and big and fiery, and it's shining. And it shines on the moon, because the moon is normally just a big, beautiful piece of gray rock. So the sun shines on the moon, and it bounces back to Earth. It bounces back, it's like a reflection. I know that's a little difficult to understand, but trust me, the sun is important because it's helping us to see the moon when we're on Earth. It's incredible. And we're spinning right now, really. Life is amazing. So I'm going to ask you to do me a favor. Write about it. Look outside, look at the sun, look at the moon tonight if you can. Write me anything you can. Tell me your thoughts. What do you see? What do you feel? What do you hear? I cannot wait to hear about it. Bye.